guys, welcome back again. Today is another beautiful week to start a new vlog. Today's Sunday and today's service was awesome. I just got back from the church and today is the YouTubers hangout. How do I look? Do you guys love my new look? I mean, it's been long I did something like this, like very long, that I added attachment to my hair. But yeah, I love it. Just simple and I don't want stress. So later today I'll be going for the hangout, and yeah, I'm definitely going to do a vlog for that. So whichever one comes up first, then yeah, you guys are going to definitely enjoy it. Let me show you guys my outfit. So guys, this is what I rocked to church today. I really love this style. Like, I love the outfit and everything. So yeah, baby girl is just going to relax, chill, eat, and then wait until it's time to go for the hangout. I've actually not done something like this before. That's why I'm super excited about it. The hair, should I show, like, you guys can see the back? Can you see the? Don't worry, let me do a proper listing for you guys to see the hairstyle complete. This is what the braids looking like. I hope you guys can see it very well. And this is the done. Guys, and I don't have any plans. I don't have much plans for today. Like, I don't plan to go out today. Maybe something else might come up that will make me go out, but for now I really do not have any plan to go out. The only plan I have for today is just to edit my videos, because I have lots of videos to edit. And then yeah, I'm just going to be indoors throughout the day, except I want to go out to buy something. Yes, and then I'm going to edit all my videos and upload them tomorrow. Like, that's why I said today is for editing of my videos. I'm going to edit throughout today, and then tomorrow I'm going to school because I want to use the school Wi-Fi to upload all the videos, and I don't have enough data to do that. So yeah, we have to go and use the school Wi-Fi. So that is going to be all for today. If something else comes up, I'm definitely going to let you guys know. Everywhere is just dry, and I think maybe because this place is basically for, more of the people here are Muslims, so I think that's the reason why, because Although I'm not surprised. I mean, this is the second time I'm spending my Christmas here, and I'm not surprised at all because the first time I almost cried. I mean, let me not say I almost cried. Maybe I later cried because of how boring it was. But then I'm not surprised anymore. I mean, I'm ready. I mean, spending it one time, I think that's enough for me to be used to it. So guys, yesterday I didn't do much. I just went out. Yeah, I went out yesterday, and right now I'm going to the school to fix my laptop. I'm getting a new sorry. I'm getting a new battery, so I don't know. I just hope that the price will be friendly. Like, I just hope the price doesn't choke me at all because you. Anyways, yeah, I'll be going right now. I'm going right now. So see you guys in school. Oh, Christmas, Christmas. Even though I know that nothing will happen, I will eventually. In fact, the way I'm going to sleep on that day, myself, you guys won't know anyway. But I'm actually going to sleep on that day because there's nowhere to go, and I'll just be indoor. I'm just going to, visit my landlady to say hi, Merry Christmas, and then I'll come back to my room, and then I'll sleep. But if you want to sponsor my outing for the Christmas, you can do that, You can, DM me and give me money so that I'll go out for the Christmas. Going to gist you guys what happened yesterday because yesterday was not so good for me. Um, yeah, it was the laptop. Like, the laptop just showed me shaky. This laptop actually works. Like, it has been working. I'm using it to watch movies and all that. So the only thing I wanted to do was just to update it. Update it. I'll upgrade it, and then get a new battery and all that. So only for me to get here yesterday, and the laptop refused to turn on. So it took the whole day yesterday, like almost the whole day. I got to school in the morning around 11 a.m. and I left school around 8 p.m. Like, it was serious. I was frustrated at some point. I was like, oh, the guy should just couple up the laptop and and let me just go down. I'm not fixing it again. I'm tired. But thank God everything is working fine now. So yeah, baby girl is so happy. Like, I'll start working on my seminar topic and everything. Oh, I'm so happy. Right now I'm at the CBT center. I am here to come and use Wi-Fi to download. BJ is also here and he's excited. It's fast, Abby. Very so guys, I'm actually going to end this vlog now. Yeah, this vlog is going to end now because tomorrow is Christmas. So I hope you find this video, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you are yet to subscribe, and also share to anyone, your loved ones, your friends that will be interested in content like this. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. For now, bye. Oh wait, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance. Bye.